I'll try to complete. So today is the 10th. So why those so many things are open? Where is this? Yeah, here it is. Okay. So guys, once we are done, so I will share this file. And again, this I share this file in evening also because I will update this one. I'll share the first file also. Okay. The first one is PS. Yes. Actually, we should not start the class process thing um, like this with the command. So actually, I have to explain what is the process. I have to explain what is the process. But to explain it, so I have to go to again my Linux kind of stuff or a process related pictures are there. Okay, so I think I forward or not forward, I didn't remember. Okay. If you just wait, I will try to figure it out if I have a pictures in my screen or not. This is the old PPT. There is a one beautiful PDF, small PDF only, which is prepared by Madhusar itself himself. I'll try. This is not actually. This is for a redirection. Okay. This is DSCP redirection. This is the directory structure. This is the directory structure. This is job control. Windows Linux differences. OSA layer. Okay. OSA layer. This is my drawings only. Okay. This is my drawings only. This is my drawing. My drawing. This is the process management. Okay. Guys, can you able to see? Able to
Yes,
see?
sir.
Very good. Okay. So when you start a process, means system will start a process or you open a process, anything. It is called a fork. FORK. It is process is started. It is scheduled. Schedule means in a particular time, date, or just now. It is scheduled. And once it is process is started, now make sure it is running in your shell, and then you start in a shell. It makes sure it is runnable, ready, then running in a kernel. So once it is done, exits. Zombie means it is dead, completed, process completed. Like you given a command, touch file name. Touch file name means file is created, right? So touch file name or maybe cat file name, cat file one. It is executed. I given a command, executed, completed, completed. Okay. Now I put a like this. And still process is going on. You know, still in background the process is going on. Okay, I didn't done anything. Just I given a command, but not existed. It not quit. It not completed. Nothing. Still the process is open. Still it is running in condition. Running condition only. I'm exiting. Control C. I'm exit from what I'm doing. Okay, I'm exit. It means the process is terminated. Process is terminated. Guys, understand this one? You start a process and it runs. Once it is completed, it exit. You started a process, it's running. You said exit and it is exit. Process not completed, but exit means you terminate the process or kill the process. You guys understand? It's one direction only. I'm not telling you all these directions. Uh, Unnecessary level. Please respond something. Are you understand this and are like this?
Repeat once again, sir.
That is very well. That is very good. Okay. So look at here. I open Firefox. I open Firefox. It means Firefox process is started running. How long it will run? Till it is completed. Till it is completed means this is running. Firefox process is running. Currently it is running. I open running. It runs at a kernel, so it will understanding. Okay. So if I close, what happened? If I close the Firefox, what happened? Gone. Means exit. Completed. Completed. Okay. I said copy a file from one location to another location. What I done here, it is read the file. For example, read the file. It display the data. Completed. Exit. I said copy file. So I have to check the directories here. DA1 is there. So copy file 1 to DA1. Okay. What will happen? File will be copied. That is a process. That is the process. File copied. Process completed. Okay. Process starts, runs, and completes. So that is the pretty straight line. So I'm not talking about more things like what is other things. I'm not talking. Okay, I'm talking about only the process started running. Once completed, it will exit. So that is about your process. In a second one, sometimes process will be suspense. It will suspend. No, you open a process, it is in the background. That's it. It is not getting anything. For example, I open my machine. Okay, it is connected to the network. I'm not doing anything. Network process is started. Okay, system is started, process is started, network process is started. But no packet send and receive. No packet send and receive. So no activity on the network process. No activity on the network process. So what it will happen? It is going to sleep. Sometimes it go to sleep or wait for a signal. Okay, I'm not going to stop it. Okay, either it is going to stop, sometimes it will going to sleep. Okay, so what you will do, you don't have any work, you are waiting for me. So I said come at 3 o'clock, but it is 3:30, and you open the system and sir is not came, no sound, no ppt, nothing. What will happen? Meantime you will sleep, right? And I came, I open my system and put like this, right? I open my mic, I open my things, right? So Teams, I started speaking. So what will happen? You woke up, right? So same thing. Process running, no signal. It's running process only, but no extra signal. Okay, nothing, no specific work on the process. Okay, so what it will do? It put the process into sleeping mode. If it is receive any signal, like a packet is sent, a packet is sent, application is open, something save is occur, so automatically it go to runnable. Automatically go to event or signal is generated. The process again start running like this. It keep going. Sometimes like network is keep going thing. Display, monitor keep going. Okay, like that. So display things, process related, RAM related, or disk, hard disk related. The process is always keep going process. Sometimes no activity, or sometimes it is not required to do now. It will go to the sleep and again it will wake up. So this is understand. So second point. The third point is stop the process. Sometimes process will be stopped because of certain reason, because of resources not there, because of user is stopped, because of system will be stopped for a in future reference purpose, I mean like that. So it will stop the process and resume the process. Resume the process. If required the process again, it resume from the stop process. Okay. This is kernel part. Running part here, runnable, running. Runnable, running. You can see in a running, system calls, returns. Okay. User said, okay, user run a process. Immediately, system responded to user related command. So that is this one is here. Okay. It is look like little complex kind of stuff, guys, but this is the diagram. If you like, I will send it. No problem. So point is here, what is the process? Process means things running in your PC. Okay. Display current running process. Display current running process. Process. Okay. Exactly say not current running process, guys. The process is like a snapshot of current running process. Exactly say it is a snapshot of current running process. Mm. Snapshot of current running process is a ps command. Okay, so only ps command will display something like this. If you look at here the ps command, I'm going to put it ps. It is displaying your terminal related ps by 2, pts by 2, like that. Okay, so this is your process command, ps command. This is your terminal. Okay, next. So there is a few things you should know it. So then one is PID, means it is a process ID. PID means process ID. You know CMD command is already right. Okay. Process ID. Every process having a process ID. What is the sentence? Every process has PID. Okay. PID means process ID. PPID. What is PPID? Parent process ID. So guys, again, another statement. Some process may have child process. Some processes, some process may have child process. So, for example, guys, remember, P1 is my main process, process 1. P2, so P11 is a child process. Okay, this is a process. Okay, this is child process to P1. Child process to, here it is like this. P1's process ID is, for example, 101, like this. For example, this is the P1 process ID. P11 process ID can be anything, 1132, and parent process ID is 1012. Okay, so that's a thing you should check it. Okay, parent process ID is, so compulsory when you're checking a process their parent process. If you don't understand, it's okay, no problem. Yes, you open some application. To run that application, it may require another child process. Okay, you run a process, or you run an application, or you given a task. to run this task, it may require first some separate task it has to run. It may require to run a multiple small tasks on it. Okay, so this is the main process. This is the child process, and this child process may have another child process. This child process may have another child process also. Okay, so this is the how process tree will come up. Here it is completion of the process. Process will be completed Sunday, right? So someday, right? So first of all, the process, the first it will be completed child's. Once child process completed, then only parent process will be completed. Once the child process are completed, then only parent process will be completed. So then it is completed. Next, terminate or killing the process. Terminate or killing the process. Terminate or killing the process. That is also will happens like that. First, it terminate the child process and then it terminate the main process. That is the thing. Okay. So if you open something, you open a Firefox, you open a notepad, you open a paintbrush. What happened? Every application is nothing but a process and it required a child process. Okay, dependency process are there. So remember that one. I think I'm going only process part one. Still a lot of things are there. Then we'll make it as a 3. Okay, so where it is the new one. See process. I told like this many are there. So I will show you. I will tell you how to see the process and how to kill the process. Okay, nice value. I will tell you in afternoon. Okay, this is a PS command to see the process. Not enough. Not enough. Okay, it is not showing much process thing. PS space hyphen E, PS space hyphen EF, yes, compulsory go to man PS. Compulsory go and find out what are these options. Okay, PS space hyphen UX, PS space hyphen A. Okay, so PS space hyphen OE. Okay, like this. So what are these options? You can easily get by man PS. Simply report a snapshot of current process. Very good. Okay. So both are the display or a report. Very good. Or a print. Next, go down. You can see this is the options, examples. Go to examples and you will get a lot of options and find it. What are these examples also? Okay. Find out what is these examples also. I think only this one is left. Each option is there, guys, here. So compulsory go through it. Whatever it is. So these are several options are there. But for me, these are the important options. We'll see. Every process on the system using standard syntax like hyphen E, hyphen EF, like this. Every process on a BDX system like this, AX, AUX. My favorite is this one. I will tell you what will happen like this. Look at here. PS space hyphen E. It is displaying current running process. So it is PID TTY. TTY means the terminal where question or a 0 represent is a your physical process, means kernel related things or machine related. TTY, it means this one. So this is the TTY, terminal, TTY means terminal. This is student, right? So this is PTS 2. PTS 1 is I think this is PTS 1. Okay. This is a PTS 1 and this is a PTS 2 and PTS 0 is this one. Here under this one I have a, this is a PTS 0. Okay, this is PTS 0. TTY 1 is original. This is the TTY 1. Okay, like that. Okay, so look at here, guys. Again, F, PS space hyphen F. Just type one by one. See the different options are there. So each option change the your table. See user ID now. Which user running this process ID, parent process ID, other details, time, and a command. So if you go down, so you can see this is a process and this is the parent process. So look at this one. DHCP client is a process. DHCP client. So parent process is network manager. Parent process is network manager. You can get it like this. See, this is the parent process for this process. What it is, it's a something background and something is there, and 1141 like this. This is the like this. Okay, you can understand from this also, like a 3219. What is 3219? 3219. This is, and this process also having parent. See parent. Okay, so a parent can have child having another child having another child. That kind of stuff is also there. Okay, guys, this is I told PS. So again, I will go down here. The first command I told PS, then I told PS space hyphen E, then PS space hyphen EF. And I will tell one more command, AUX or AXU. Anything you can put it. No, that is root. I don't want it. I will do here only. PS space hyphen AUX. See? Displaying more details about a process. Process not changing. Commands are same thing only. User base. Which user open this process? Okay, what is their process ID? How much CPU it is taking, each process, how much CPU it is taking, how much memory it is taking. Okay, statistics like a sleep mode, running, like this. See, R means running, S means sleeping, R plus means something like a resume, something is there. Okay, a running plus is there. Okay, so different type of outcomes will come. Hyphen E usually like a all. Hyphen E means all. As I said, my favorite is EO. Okay, in a process, displaying lot of things will be displayed, right? But I want to see user, process ID, nice value, CMD. That's it. If you use only E, you will get only particular thing. You'll get a EF, you are getting more. AUX, you are getting so many things. I don't want all these things. I want only these 4 columns only. I want this only for 4 columns. Only 4 columns I'm getting. See, a specific columns. Only user, PID, nice value, and a command. I want only these information only. So what is the command? Like this. What is the command? Like this. So only you will get a what is your required. So what is your required? You will get it with a hyphen OE. Okay. Guys, understand or not understand? Okay. Okay, no problem. Guys, I open a text editor here. Look at a text editor is open. Okay, a text editor is open. Okay, now in this one, this terminal, I want to see what are the process is running. Just like this. So very good. It is open. See. Okay. I want to know process ID of this particular process. I want to know process ID of that particular process. So this is the process ID. This is the command. Now I have to search line by line. I have to search line by line. Where is my gedit process? Where is my gedit process? Usually it is in the bottom, so don't worry. But you have to search line by line. Where is my process? So this is the finally. This is your process. This is your process ID. Guys, got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is my command, and I have to search line by line to get what is my where is my process, and based on that I can get process ID. Okay. The question is I cannot search every line for my process and their process IDs. Difficult, right? Now I want to filter. I want to filter where the gedit is there. Where the gedit is there, display those lines only. In my output, display only the lines. It's generating so many lines, right? I want only lines which is having gedit inside, which is having gedit inside. Gedit in the line. Only lines. I want gedit in the line. So I want this line only. I want this line only. I don't want all these lines. I want only this line. Are any line with a gedit. Any line with a gedit inside. I want only this line. How to get it? Tell me. Is what happened? Anyone is typing? Come on, guys. Last two parts only. So I will show you this one, then only killing. That's it. This will display the output. I want to put right in the output. I want to display only a particular line which contains a keyword. Which command? Line displays the lines only displays if match with a pattern or keyword. Which command? Which command, guys?
Find.
Find will find the file.
Grep.
Very good. Grep. Very good. Grep. Grep is a command. If in the line pattern matches, it displays the particular line. Okay. Grep is a command. Now there is a column. This is the one command. In this command output, I want to feed the command output to the input to this grep command, and
Right.
it is gedit. Okay, so this is I given a command and option, but argument I didn't given. So for argument, I have to take the output of the first command. So what to do?
Pipe. Pipe.
Very good. Put a pipe. Put a pipe. Enter. See, you got it. You got the line. Now you got a process ID. Now note down the process ID. Note down the process ID. what I'm going to do is I'm going to kill it. So look at this, guys. Here it is. I have a gedit is open. Okay, because why I'm showing like this, in graphical, if you see how to kill the process, it is closed, so you'll feel a little bit better. So 5319 5319 kill 5319. I killed it. Okay, I kill it. And if you look at, so in the bottom also it is not minimized, so I kill the process of gedit. I kill the process of gedit. Okay, again you are running this command, it is not showing this one, not showing, it is showing, that is this command process only it is showing, but it's not showing this one now. Okay, immediately you have to do it, so then you will get understand terminated kind of stuff process is also there. Guys, again I'm open, look at here, I'm opening my text editor, it is open. Again searching, it is showing process ID. If you look at this process ID and now this process ID are different, guys. Any process, every process must have a process ID, but process ID is not same every time. Process ID is not same every time. Okay, every process must have or as every process must has process ID, and process ID is not same always. Every time. Better is simple may not time. Sometimes it will be if in case, just in case. If it is the same, sir, you said wrong. So like this. Okay. So what I am doing is like this. Okay. How to kill the process. Guys, this part I done on a GI mode. Okay. So in CLI mode, only CLI in a CLI mode, we don't have a other things, right? So we don't have a gedit, we don't have a Firefox like that. Even for a Firefox also, you can open a Firefox. Okay, a Firefox is open. Yeah, okay. Once a Firefox is open, so find out the Firefox related process. Now currently it is running something. So first to find out the Firefox. It's quite easy. Sometimes Firefox having two process running. One or two process running. Now it is running with a multiple process also there. No, this is the actual one. This is the additional data of this one. So two process IDs. Look at Firefox is open. Okay, I'm killing the process. 5469. It is killed. Again run. So it is not showing this data. Okay, so like that you can able to do it. Okay, for us, how to do it in my terminal, so I will do it. Okay, how to do it here, that is also important. The last, guys, I'm open a process first, sleep 1000 ampersand. So I'm opening a process in the background, so don't get it out what is this. So simply I open a process, I open a process in a background, process is started. Guys, how to check the process running or not? How to check the process? Yes, hyphen ef is also okay, but I'm using like this, right? So user PID, nice value. Afternoon I will tell what is nice value, how to re-nice kind of stuff if possible. But tomorrow I will tell. No problem. Grep process name is sleep. Process name is sleep. So I am getting two process. Actually, I started this process only. Okay. So student, and I am running this process, sleep 1000 process. Now I want to kill this process. I want to kill this process. How to kill the process? Tell me. How to kill sleep 1000 process? Guys, it's a 120. I don't give a time for a next class. Again, 3:15 only. If you don't tell an answer, I don't close the session. How to kill sleep 1000 process?
Sir, type kill 5723.
5723. Finally, yes, we killed a process. We can see process is terminated. The kill signals and all I will tell. Okay. The command is to kill the process is kill. To terminate process, so you can use kill process ID. Okay, kill process ID. The number, not just a name PID. You should give the process ID. Example is where it is. Yeah. Right. You can. It is quite easy in the direct terminal. If you want in a GM mode, it is also you can do. You may get it out, sir. Here is a process ID showing. So why should we open? Practice process ID and kill the process. Not just work is done or not. So we need a command to practice, right? So this is killing the process ID. Guys, this is also very important command. Okay. Usually process ID management and all very important in administration, in a deep administration of kernel administration kind of stuff. Process management also comes under kernel administration. Okay, so like, so that's it. That's it for it now. Be back at 3:15. 3:15. Okay, I will start the class after 3:15, 3:20, 3:30. By 3:30, I will start. Okay.